Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 16th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we are on the daily time frame. So, anyways, on the pound yen daily time frame, I still think there's a possibility this is the end of a wave B, and if it really is the end of a wave B, it likely would be the beginning of like a 3 month downtrend, probably something very similar to the size of this move over here. So, definitely important to try to figure that out. Now, the whole thing is the only thing we really know for sure right now is that this wave from here to here is over. Confirmation of the big turn down is actually going to be the breaker structure right here. Unfortunately, this move down that we're currently in definitely still could be a pullback within the uptrend, and it definitely still could end up going up and making new highs. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, on the 1 hour time frame, we definitely have what looks like to be an impulsive down, so likely like a wave A. We're probably in like a wave B right now. More than likely, we are probably going to push down for like a wave C or a wave 3 if this really is the top of a move over here on the higher time frames. So this is either an A or a 1, this is either a B or a 2, and I would expect it to either push down to a fib level and then turn back up in a big way if it's a wave C, or I would expect it to go down to a fib level, not break structure, and just continue to make lower lows, lower highs if it's a wave 3. And if it really is a wave 3, it would go down and it would break structure, and it would confirm that this is the end of a wave B on the higher time frames. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.